purl stitch. We're going to cast on 5 stitches. First thing we're going to do is make sure the yarn is in the right direction. It has to be in front of you. When you insert the needle, you're going to go in the opposite direction. So for knit, you do it from left to right. For purl, it's going to be from right to left. Make sure the yarn is in front of you, and then make sure not from left to right, but from right to left. In, take the yarn, wrap it around the needle. Pay attention to the direction you're wrapping it in. Push it out and take it off the needle. Again, in from right to left. Take the yarn, wrap it around the needle, and push it out. And take it off the needle. Make sure the yarn is in front. In, yarn over, in the same direction every time. Push it out and take it off the needle. So again, it's a 4-step process, similar to knit stitch, just everything is in the different direction. In, yarn over, push it out, and take it off. Again, in, step 1, yarn over, step 2, push it out, step 3, and step 4, take it off the needle. Make sure to count your stitches. Then you flip it over, count again. We're still at 5 here, and we're going to purl the next row also. Make sure the yarn is in front. Do not go through that loop. No. You want to find the loop that sits right on the needle and insert your right needle from right to left. Yarn over, push it out, and take it off the needle. Again, in, yarn over, push it out, and take it off. Do not pull too tight. In, yarn over, push it out, and take it off. Again, in, yarn over, out, and take it off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Count the stitches again, flip it over,